hero needs a weapon. Imagine stepping into a battlefield with bare hands. You have no chance, right? That's how many students feel when they see a quadratic. But today, I am handing you your first weapon, the sword of factoring. In the last video, the 3 steps to crack any quadratic, I introduced you to the 3 great weapons: the sword, which is factoring, the safe lock, which is completing the square, and the golden key, which is the quadratic formula. If you miss that overview, go watch it first, then come back here to master the sword. This first enemy looks strong, but we can still slice through with our sword, factoring. So the first step to take is that we will multiply the coefficient of x, which is 6. We will multiply it by the constant c. So we have 6 times 3, and this will give 18. That is the first step. Then the second step will be for us to look for 2 factors of 18 that will add up to give 11. So let's list the factors of 18. We have the factors of 18 to be 1, 2, 3, then 6, we have 9, and then we have 18. So what 2 factors of 18 will add up to give 11? Let's look at 9 times 2. 9 times 2 will give 18, and 9 plus 2 will give 11. So that means we'll be having plus 9x and plus 2x. So we will use this to replace 11x, so that our equation will become 6x squared plus 9x plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. Then we group them in 2, so that we group these 2 together and group these 2 together. What is common to both? What will go in both? 3 will go in 6, and it will also go in 9. 3 in 6 2 times, so we have 3. Let's bring 3 out. X will also go in both. We have 3x, then we have 2x here, then plus 3. And then here, nothing goes in both except 1. So we have plus 1, then we have 2x plus 3. This gives 0. Since we have the same thing in the bracket, then we'll be having 2x plus 3, and then 3x plus 1 equals 0. Now we can apply the zero product rule that says if two terms are equal to 0, then it's either A is equal to 0, this is our A now, or B is equal to 0. That means we will have 2x plus 3 equals 0, or 3x plus 1 equals 0. Now let's collect the like terms here. Let's take plus 3 to the other side, so that this will become 2x will give -3, or 3x will give -1. Let's divide both sides by 2 here, and then we divide both sides by 3 here. Here we have x to be equal to -3 over 2. We are dividing both sides by 2, or x is equal to -1 over 3. Now, every warrior needs practice before the real battle. So, here are 2 exercises. Grab your notebook and swing your sword. In conclusion, the sword of factoring is powerful, but sometimes the enemy doesn't fall to a sword alone. That's when we bring out the second weapon, that's completing the square. So make sure you are subscribed, because in the next video, I will show you how to crack open quadratics even when factoring refuses to work. Remember that in math, just like in battle, confidence comes when you know your weapons.